Did you know a runoff election is happening? You might not have. After all, you're busy going to work and caring for your family. But an important election is happening in the next few weeks that will impact our community. And while you're busy, some career politicians hope you're not paying attention while they steer our community off the rails. The JAG Train is taking taxpayer dollars on a train wreck.
The JAG Train is on the move, and we'll continue to put more steam on the train so we can keep on going.
That's right. A career politician wants you to buy another ticket to nowhere. This conductor has train wrecked your tax dollars before. Former Justice of the Peace Joe A. Gonzalez hopes you're sleeping while his history of financial mismanagement and improper practices ride by on his JAG train.
The JAG Train is running a little late. The JAG Train is on the move.
In 2008, the Texas State Commission on Judicial Conduct sanctioned Joe "Jag" Gonzalez for abuse in office as a Justice of the Peace. But we don't know why, because Joe "Jag" Gonzalez won't let the public see the agreement. Why not, JAG? Is it because some career politicians hope you're too busy to question their history of mismanagement of your tax dollars? Make this the last stop for the JAG Train. Don't be asleep on April 13, 2010. Vote.